Hello everyone, today we will see the object-oriented programming using C++ practical program number 3. So the aim of the practical is develop programs that implement a class and use it with object. So we have to illustrate the use of classes and object into the C++ programming. So for that we have to take one program, that is C++ program, to calculate the length, to calculate the area and volume of the room. So for that we have to take one class as a room, and we can create some object of that class, and by using that object we can calculate or we can call the functions from the class. So let's see how to run this program and how to write this program. So for that we have to use compiler, C++ compiler, and we have to take a new editor, and after that we have to take some header files, that is #include iostream.h, then as #include conio.h. So as we studied in the earlier program, the iostream.h is used for the input and output stream and stream functions, and for conio.h is used for console input output functions. Then we have to create one class, and for that we have to use a keyword as class. We can create a name of class is room. We have to calculate the area and volume of the room. So for that we have to use some variables. If I didn't write public here, so it is by default as private area, or we can call it as private access specifies by default. So we have to create some variables as double length, then the next one is breadth and height. So these three variables we will use to calculate the area and volume of the room. For that I have created as type double. Then I am creating one function to calculate the area, of the room. Then I am providing some structure of the function as return. I am using here return the value and the type of return is double. So return length, the formula to calculate the area of room, length into breadth, then semicolon. Okay, so this is a function which is used to calculate the area of the room, and I am also creating another function to calculate some spelling mistake is there, calculate the volume of the room. So in this function we have to write the formula for volume of the room. So it's the length into breadth into height. So this both the formulas are created. Okay, so calculate area and calculate volume. After that, I close the class. Okay, so closing bracket and semicolon. We have to give a semicolon to close the class. Then integer main, and then start. And what we have to do, we have to calculate the volume and area of the room. So for that we have to create one object of a room class. So I'm creating as a RM is the object name, then CLRSCR for clearing the screen. After that I'm assigning some values. RM dot length is equal to 42.5. This is the double value. Again RM dot grade is equal to 30 point something. We can give as 30.8. Then RM dot. So now we are using object to access the variables of the class. By using object, I am assigning the values to the variable of a class room. Now what we have to calculate, we have to display the area and volume of the room. So for that we have to print a statement cout, and we will write area of room is equal to, what we have to call, we have to call the functions of the class by using objects. So RM dot calculate area. Okay, this is a function name and I'm calling from here. So and L, again we have to write one function cout for volume. So area of volume of room, and I am calling calculate volume, RM dot calculate volume function and end L. Okay, so this is the end of the program. Get ch to hold the console screen and return 0. So we will see this program as what we create a class room, and also we create an object as RM. By using object we will access the variables of the class length, breadth and height, and also initialize it, and we will calculate the area of the room and we print the value. So let's check for the errors. So go to the compile section. So no error, no warning, and go to the run section and run. So what happened? Get ch is here. Okay, get ch is present. Okay, so this is the output of our function area of room and the volume of the room. So in this way we can create a class and object and we can access the properties of class by using object, and we have to access the properties of class from object or by using object. So we have to use a dot operator, or we can call it as member access operator. So by using this member access operator, we can access the members of the class. Thank you.